Today's tutorial will demonstrate how to freeze columns and rows. The feature is useful when you need to keep an area of a worksheet visible while you scroll to another area of the worksheet. For example, we would like to keep the first column visible while we scroll up and down the worksheet. First, we need to go to the View tab, where you can find the three options: Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row, and Freeze First Column. Windows users will have the three options available as a drop-down list under Freeze Panes. To freeze the first column, you simply select the Freeze First Column option. Now we can scroll up and down while the first column stays visible. Similarly, we can do the freezing of the top row by selecting Freeze Top Row. Now we can scroll down the worksheet while the top row stays visible. The Freeze Panes option offers the possibility to freeze more than one column or row, as well as freezing both columns and rows. For example, if you wish to freeze the first two columns, you position yourself in row 1 under third column, column C, then you click Freeze Panes, and now the first two columns are frozen. If you wish to freeze the top two rows, then you position yourself under column A, row 3, and click Freeze Panes. Now the top two rows are frozen. The Freeze Pane option freezes to the left of the selected column and upward of the selected row. Meaning, to freeze top three rows, you need to position yourself in cell A4, or to freeze the top three columns, you need to position yourself in D1. Freeze Panes can also freeze both columns and rows. You need to select a cell below two rows and to the right of the columns you want to keep visible when you scroll. For example, you want to freeze the first row and top row. Thus, you need to position yourself in cell B2, which is below the row, and to the right of the column you want to keep visible while you scroll. Now we've frozen the first column and the top row. This should get you started on freezing columns and rows in Excel. Thank you for watching. If you found the tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Excel tutorials.